Hello and welcome to the Python 3.10 course. Python is not just a programming language, it's your gateway to the exciting world of software development. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just curious about coding, this course is designed for you. By the end of this course, you'll be able to write efficient Python programs and solve real-world problems. Let's dive in. Why should you learn Python? The answer is simple. Python is everywhere. It's used by top companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA. It's known for its simplicity and versatility. Python powers applications in areas like web development, build websites and web applications, data science, analyze and visualize data, create machine learning models, automation, automate repetitive tasks like file management or data entry, game development, networking, and even artificial intelligence. Python's user-friendly syntax makes it the perfect starting point for beginners, while its depth satisfies even advanced developers. Let me paint a picture of what Python can do for you. Imagine building a dynamic website using Flask or Django, a predictive model that forecasts sales trends, automated scripts that organize your daily tasks, your first chatbot or game. With Python, the possibilities are endless. Python 3.10 is an exciting release, introducing features that make your programming journey smoother and more powerful. Some of the highlights include structural pattern matching. Python now supports a more intuitive way to handle complex data structures similar to switch case in other languages. Improved error messages. Debugging is easier with clearer, more informative error messages. Type hinting enhancements help your code become more readable and reliable with improved type annotations. Throughout this course, you'll experience how these features make Python programming even more enjoyable. Here's what you can expect from this course. We'll start from the basics, assuming no prior programming knowledge. Together, we'll explore Python's fundamentals, like variables, loops, and functions. Then, we'll tackle real-world projects to help you apply what you've learned. By the end, you'll be confident in creating Python programs and ready to take on more advanced challenges. Whether you're here to learn for fun or to land your first job, this course will set you on the right path. Before we begin coding, let's set up Python 3.10 on your system. Follow these steps. Step 1. Install Python 3.10. Visit the official Python website, python.org. Download the installer for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Run the installer and ensure the option Add Python to Path is checked. This will make it easier to run Python from anywhere on your system. You've seen the just a little part basics. You've felt the potential. Now, are you ready to unlock the real power of Python? Our comprehensive Python 3.10 course isn't just about learning code. It's about transforming you into a job-ready Python techie. We provide the hands-on experience, the industry-relevant skills, and the support you need to thrive. From beginner to a professional. Don't just dream of a tech career, build it. Click the link below to learn more and enroll today. Your journey to becoming a job-ready Python techie starts now.